Did you even frame that shot? Are you okay?
I hurt my jaw. No. Aw. Majestic face.
Shut the fuck up. I know you're into that kind of thing, Corporal. Into the bedroom. Okay, don't you need to get like... Marco's dead.
It's not.
Leave.
It's my dreams.
Get out.
Please have proper sex.
I'm trying, but the bitch is ripping off my hair. Excuse me?
Alright, really, 3.
Boys.
Ready.
We're going through the awkwardness of trying to fake make out and come in here, so give us like
20,
bit.
30 minutes.
20, 30 minutes. This may take... I can't even see Maddie in there. I just saw the blue.
She may never return.
But what do you mean by pep talk?
Pep talk.
Go back outside and get ready.
What happens after that?
Start your shit so we can go back.
His face is hissing at us.
Since when do horses hiss?
And the thing that lives under your covers.
That's scary.
Okay, so what pep talk? Seriously, Sean, not cool, get out.
Get off me first, Jaeger.
Because they're trying to have sex and the dog's watching, and how were you in there? Marco Polo? Marco died like, what, 10 months ago?
You don't even plan to watch.
You don't know that.
Yeah, I do.
Anyways.
This is amazing.
Levi! My weave!
Fix your weave.
Your weave! It's my weave.
This is gonna be uncomfortable. So this is how it works.
I'm gonna fuck you!
Two.
That's why I told you.
You're smiling.
Oh, hey. I'm totally calm.
Get out.
Whatever. Talk back to Corporal.
You're sexy when you're assertive.
You got it all.
I did. Thank you for noticing.
You're welcome.
Cover your face. But your face.
Your face.
Levi, that was so funny. What am I supposed to say? And here we're watching our 3 soldiers in their natural habitat.
A horse and midget.
This is how they have sex in Attack on Titan.
My wig!
Were you seducing me there?
Well, since I couldn't get it on with Levi.
Isn't it glorious? They're doing it with all their clothes on.
On Levi?
Ew.
Quickly get like bruise makeup and like... What the fuck, Sean? This is not like Sean.
Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 booty.
This mess. Just talk about Titans.
How many times did you... She said about
She did a little kid voice.
Can we turn on this light? And then later she can...
Why did you... She went like this.
You pushed it up.
Very passionate.
She wasn't supposed
to. Okay, John, you should pull back the curtain.
How long are you doing? You good?
Hey, babe. And unlike you, I don't regenerate in 5 minutes. No, that's your lie.
I was like, I did that. Oh, what was that? What those things?
Yeah, and then I say good.
Oh, I thought you said you were gonna say it like.
Okay. You want to kiss me now?
I'll think about it.